Hello everyone. You know what? Right now I am in the midst of going to another property and I have some time. So I wanted to talk to everyone out there in property management world. My agents, my leasing agents, my realtors, my brokers, anyone who shows properties in different units, houses or condos like myself. I have a question of the day, or let's make this the question of the week. And that is, how long do you take researching the property and learning about the amenities and the selling points and the features of the properties that you are showing prospective renters or buyers? You know, today I arrived to my property actually a good 20 minutes early. I always allot about an hour and a half to leave my place to park and to familiarize myself. No, don't get me wrong. At home, I familiarize myself with the properties I haven't been to. I can get a slew of properties, so that could be, let's say, 10 to 16 different properties that I have to learn the selling points, the price, the amenities for renters, utilities paid, things of that sort. So there's a lot that I have to remember. So what I am proposing, and this is about 16 units or 16 properties, 16 different places within the LA County. So that is a lot to learn. So I do spend a lot of my time at home studying. So when I go to my property, then I am on time and I'm knowledgeable and I know pretty much the features that my tenants or prospective residents want. What kind of parks are around? What type of schools are around? Do they have kids? What will their kids like? Is this a family friendly area? Do you understand? Sometimes it's not even just within the property, but sometimes it's the vicinity. Now, I know we only have 24 hours in a day. Some of you are supermen and superwomen. You have kids, you have your job, you have you time, you have spouse time, you have other family time, but how are you allotting time in studying and reading up on your different properties? Is there 1 hour that you can take away from your Netflix and your Disney Plus? I'm not pointing any fingers here, and put it into researching for your property, for your job, even taking a class, even enhancing your skills. That 1 hour of social leisure, can you sacrifice at least 2 weeks of it just to put it into your own job? So I challenge you. That is my question of the day, my homework for the week, and my tip of the day as well. If you have any feedback or if this video helped you, please feel free to comment down below. I love to see comments. And until then, I'll see you next week.